Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Hey there, Bitcoin Bulletin crew! Today we're talking about MicroStrategy's wild ride over the past month and how it's affecting their Bitcoin holdings. So, you might be wondering what happened to Mr. Traders after the holiday break. Well, they got a rude awakening when they saw that Bitcoin was only up 3%, while MicroStrategy was down a whopping 12%. And let me tell you, this isn't the first time we've seen MicroStrategy's stock price take a hit. As you might know, MicroStrategy has been on a mission to acquire as much Bitcoin as possible. And their CEO, Michael Saylor, has been boasting about a 74.3% Bitcoin yield for shareholders. That sounds like a pretty sweet deal, right? But the thing is, most of that yield comes from the company's massive BTC holdings. As of publication time, MicroStrategy holds $45 billion worth of Bitcoin. But their market cap is still only $88 billion. That's 93% higher than their Bitcoin holdings alone. And investors are calling this net asset value premium, or MNAV, which essentially means they value the company based on its BTC holdings. Now you might be thinking, but wait, isn't this just a fancy way of saying MicroStrategy is overvalued? Well, technically speaking, yes. But here's the thing. MicroStrategy bulls are trying to spin this as a good thing. They're claiming that the dilution of shares will mostly be used to buy more BTC for shareholders, which could actually help drive up the price. One way they're doing this is by offering new corporate paper products like perpetual preferred stock that allow them to buy Bitcoin on leverage. And let me tell you, these investors are getting pretty bullish about it. Some are even predicting a MNAV of double digits. Of course, not everyone agrees with this rosy outlook. As we all know, MicroStrategy's stock price is trading 34% below its all-time high, which isn't exactly a ringing endorsement. But what's interesting is that Michael Saylor himself seems to be buying into the hype. He just admitted to buying an extra 1070 BTC on December 30 and 31st. But unfortunately, it didn't quite drive up the price of Bitcoin during his New Year's Eve party. Still, despite all this, investors seem to remain confident in Saylor and MicroStrategy's plans. As one Securities and Exchange Commission filing notes, Saylor expressed confidence that his efforts would ultimately pay off. So there you have it, folks. A brief rundown on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin adventure over the past month. Whether or not they'll be able to regain their all-time high remains to be seen. But one thing's for sure. This is a story we'll be keeping an eye on closely.